Welcome back to Avan Pakasastram. Today I will show you a health drink with flattened rice and oats. Required ingredients are slow cooked flattened rice 1 cup, slow cooked oats 1 cup, milk 2 cups and sugar 1 tablespoon. In a mixing jar, add slow cooked flattened rice 1 cup. Add soak it for just 15 minutes. Now add soaked oats 1 cup and now just cook it for 1 minute. Now add 2 cups of milk into it and add 1 tablespoon of sugar and blend this for 1 minute. Very healthy and tasty drink is ready. Within 2 minutes, oats milkshake is completely ready. Thanks for watching. Like it, share it and subscribe it for more updates. Jai Hind. Hi friends, welcome back to Avan Pakasastram. In summer specials, I am showing fry-rams. Here, flattened rice fry-rams. This is model 2. Last week I have shown one model. This is another model. Required materials are very simple. Flattened rice soaked, salt to taste, icing bag or jantigal gottam. You can see here this is the soaked flattened rice. I am adding pinch of salt and jeera powder. If we want, we can add water also. We have to make it as a soft dough because we will keep it in the icing bag or in jantigal gottam so that we can make it any shape. So the dough should be very soft. Add water according to the requirement. Now keep it in jantigal gottam or in an icing bag and we can make it in any other shape. Here I am just doing like a single lines or whatever shape we will get it. Fry this in sun for 1 day. After frying, it will be as shown in the video. Heat the pan. Keep one by one. You can see it, they are glowing. Thanks for watching. Like it, share it and friends, welcome back to Avan Pakasastram. Today I will show you how to make Avan coconut laddu, a very tasty recipe. Required ingredients are soaked flattened rice 2 cups, grated coconut powder 2 cups, grated jaggery 1 cup. A very easy and simple recipe. Take a bowl. Add grated coconut powder 2 cups and now add grated jaggery 2 cups and now add soaked poha 2 cups. Handful of soaked poha. That's it. Mix all the ingredients very well. I had to cook this soha for 15 minutes. That is enough for it. Just see the watery consistency. Can we make laddus or not? Check it. I think that we can make it very easily. That's it. Take the mixture and make the laddus. The next poha is very tasty and very healthy, you know that. Very much useful for our health. Laddus are ready. Thanks for watching. Like it, share it and subscribe it for more updates. Jai Hind. Welcome back to Avan Pakasastram. Today I will show you how to make flattened rice onion fryams. Required materials are soaked flattened rice, urad dal paste, green chili paste, cumin seeds and salt. Take a bowl, add soaked flattened rice, make it soft by pressing it, add onions into it. We have to add more onions because these are onion fryams. We have to add more onions. Add cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of green chili paste or according to your taste. Add urad dal paste. Mix the whole dough softly so that you have to make fryams very easily. Add water or add onions or add flattened rice according to the taste, according to the consistency of the dough. Press it for 1 to 2 minutes or more than 2 minutes basing upon the consistency. Now take a bowl, take any sheet or this is the aluminum foil. Here I am keeping these as fryams. These has to be kept in the sun for 1 to 2 days. Maximum 1 day is enough. See here I am making it in a round shape. You can make it in any shape basing upon your interest, basing upon your time. Onions are added into it, so it will be very tasty. Onions are definitely tasty in anything. With flattened rice, they are very tasty. You can eat this as snacks also. There is no need to eat only with rice. With the combination of rice, we can take these in the evening times. This has to be dried for 1 day in the sun. Full sunlight for 1 day. That is enough for drying these fryams. See, this is the final output before drying. After frying, how it will be. The size of any fryam after drying will increase double. See here, you can see how small it is. After frying, it will become large. The size will be double. See the onion frying into it. I have taken it into a bowl. And finally, in 2 minutes, everything has been completed. These are flattened rice onion fryams. Thanks for watching. Like it, share it and subscribe it. Jai Hind. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing well. I am fine. In this video, I will show you how to make flattened rice tomato fryams. I like this very much. These are my favorite. Required ingredients are soaked poha, fresh tomato juice, cumin seeds, jeera powder and salt to taste. Take a bowl, add cumin seeds into it, add 1 tablespoon of salt, add a pinch of jeera powder and then add soaked flattened rice and fresh tomato juice. This flattened rice I have soaked it for 15 minutes. Much is not required. 10 minutes or 15 minutes is enough. You should not add more salt because if you add more salt, fryams will become so bitter. So please take care of the salt content. And you can make it in your required shape. I made it round. You can make it in square or in circle or diagonals or in parallelogram, whatever it is, basing upon your interest. I have made it round because I like to eat like we will have appadalu in our Telugu. I like those, so I had baked it in round. This will not take much time. I have taken an aluminium foil and made round balls, and then I had made a circles. We can fry this, we can dry this for 1 to 2 days. More is not enough because for oats fryams or for murmara fryams or for poha fryams, 1 or 2 days. That is more than enough. If you keep in my morning, by night or by evening, it will be fried very perfectly. You try it, you definitely like this recipe and comment your opinion. I will be reading all the comments. This I have to keep under the sunlight for 1 to 2 days, basing upon the heat temperature. After frying, after dried, you have to fry it in the deep oil on the flame. Add oil and fry these frames and enjoy with dal, sambar, rasam, or you can directly eat with rice also. It's up to you. Thanks for watching. Like it, share it, and subscribe it for more updates. Jai Hind. Hi friends, welcome back to Avan Pakasastram. Today I will show you how to make vodiyam with flattened rice. Required materials are soaked flattened rice, urad dal paste, salt and cumin seeds. Almost 15 to 30 minutes I have soaked flattened rice in water. Now I have taken it, we have to make it as a paste so that it will have a consistency to keep in odium. Now I am adding urad dal paste, cumin seeds, and then salt to taste. You should not add more salt. If you add more salt after heating, it will get a bad taste. We can't eat it. Now we have to make it soften. See here, we can make the vodiyam in round shape or as a vodiyam or in any other mold we can keep it. But now here I am using round, and for some I will keep as vodiyam. You can see, just I am flattening it, it will become in the form of a round. Just like this, whatever shape you want, based upon your interest, your creativity, you can do it. This needs to be in sunlight for 1 day or 2 days, not more than is enough. If sun heat is so much, 1 day is more than enough for it. After that, we have to fry it in oil. See, I have kept only few because I don't want to waste. If this experiment works or not, I don't know. I think it worked now because I had tried and have eaten it. See now, heat the pan, wear it. Here, see. After frying, you can see how the vodiyam will become like this. That's it. These are very tasty. We can even eat as a snack for evening time. If you are hungry, you can just make these snacks within few minutes. And this is the final result of the vodiyam after frying. Thanks for watching. Like it, share it, and subscribe it. Jai Hind.